my dear friends and classmates, Cham's family, to our school administrator, Miss Catherine R. Ariles, and to our school principal, Miss Laura Q. Tan. On my first day at Chang's, during my assessment with Miss Tan, she asked me what my favorite subject was. I was unsure and said, geography. She then asked, what region are we in? I looked at my mom, smiled, and whispered, 4A. That moment marked the beginning of my journey. A journey where Champs helped me discover my passion and my true self. Today is a day full of mixed emotions as we stand at the end of our wonderful journey in grade 6. It's hard to believe that this chapter is coming to a close. It feels like just yesterday we were stepping into the classroom for the first time, unsure of what the year would bring. I transferred to Champs in grade 4, and I vividly remember my first day of school. That first day was a mix of uncertainty and excitement. When I got to my classroom with Kuya Elmer, I saw my classmates leaving. So I asked my teacher, Teacher Feliz, what was happening. She told me that I was late and that class was already over. My excitement turned to sadness. But luckily, Teacher Feliz had online class with Teru. I had a chance to do some work and finished it quickly, so I could roam around and play on the playground. Even though I was late and almost absent, I still learned a lot and became more excited to go to school each day. Teru became my first friend in school. At Champs, we made new friends, faced challenges, and celebrated successes together. Each day was a chance to improve, make mistakes, and learn from them. If Miss Tan were to ask the same question today, what is your favorite subject? I would answer without hesitation, science. What was once uncertain has now become clear. I've grown and learned so much. Champs has helped me find that passion. Today, I want to thank the entire Champs family, our teachers for their unwavering support, belief in us, and dedication. Especially to Teacher Tin and Teacher Hannah for helping me discover my true passion. Teacher Feliz, your impact on me goes beyond words. You've been a mentor and inspiration. Teacher Ruby, thank you for making learning fun. Teacher Angie, your commitment has helped us grow in ways we'll always remember. And to our dear advisor, your care, patience, and encouragement have helped me grow in ways I never imagined. We are all truly grateful for everything you've done. Thank you so much, Teacher Arvin. To our parents and families, thank you for your love. Your support has meant the world to us. Ma, thank you for always reminding me to be responsible and mindful in everything I do. Your sacrifices and the things you've given up just to ensure that you can always guide us and be with us. Dada, your humor, hard work, and sacrifices have shaped our families in ways I'll never forget. You've taught me to give 100% in everything I do. I love you both. Dobby, thank you for always making me feel young and full of life with your energy and wit. To my grandparents, you're always in my heart. And to my classmates, this day is as much yours as it is mine. We've shared so many memories, the laughs, the challenges, the moments of triumph, and sometimes even a few tears. But through it all, we've been there for each other, and that's what makes this journey unforgettable. Francis, Ferdinand, Justin, Ollie, Hiroki, Kathleen, Julia, Christine, Yui, Franz, Marie, Princess, George, and Daru. This is our day. It wasn't easy, but we did it. Through sleepless nights, endless practice, and moments of doubt, we emerged more resilient than ever. As a swimmer, I've learned that balancing time is about focusing on one stroke at a time, whether it's studying, training, or resting. Just like in the pool, success comes from managing priorities, staying calm under pressure, and always giving our best. As we graduate, let's not forget what we've learned at Children's House, a Montessori school. Let's carry thus the lessons we've gathered, the friendships we've made, and the confidence we've built. There will be more challenges ahead, but I know that we are ready to face them. Let's be kind, stay curious, and always believe in ourselves. I'm excited to see all the amazing things we will do. Now that we're ready to dive into the next chapter, I am Aliyah Shane, a Shadow Pasca, and I am and will always be a proud Montessorian. Thank you and congratulations to us all. All glory and thanks